So first of all, let's load the action with the brush and also the pattern. To do this, we can open all of them. Not do it. Okay, open the image we are using and just use this girl. First thing we do is we will select this girl and we color it with any color we want in new layer. Okay, so let's just select a very quick way to select is like this. You don't need to be a perfect selection, just select what you need. Okay, so cool. Now create a new layer here and go to the brush and just select any brush you want, doesn't matter, and change the color to any color also. Let's make it pink and let's color all of this. Okay, make it a little bit big. Okay, we'll select all this, Ctrl D to deselect, and now just you need to do one thing and you must do it here. He said you must rename the layer in to brush. Okay, just double click here and rename it brush. Okay, now let's go to our action and just select the first one, the play, and just click play and wait a few seconds. It depends on your computer, maybe take a lot of time, maybe not. Okay, and voila. So let's make some change here. Before start, there is some recommendation. For best result is recommended to use the image size between the size and the resolution. So I'm using any size. You can use the same size, the size you want. Okay, so I will just here move some of the brush here in the head. Okay, so to do that, and I'm going to the main image here, open this, and you see these three images here. So let's start with the first one. Click on the layer mask and not in the image, the layer mask, and go to the brush. Let's change the brush to simple brush, soft, this one, and let's change the size to okay. Now we change the color, depend of the mask. Here the color is the mask color is black. I'll change to black and just remove this. Okay, good. Now we do the same for this image. In the layer mask, always just remove. And the last one is this one, but this one is with white, so let's just change it to white and you'll see the effect. Boom. Okay. Sorry. And if we want to change here there is some color effect, you can just click here and you see the difference. I like this one, for example. You play with all of this to get, and like I said, just play with all of this. Okay. Also here in the vibrance, you can change in the mode, also the gray mode. You can change also in the ink. Just go here and Ctrl U to get the hue saturation, and you can change here thing in the background. You see, just play with the color as you like. In this section there is this paint mode. You can also add it. Click play. And you see here it looks like a painting. If you like it, you can use it. If you don't like it, just add in here. Like you see, I like it like this. And now you can just save your image. That's all for today, my friend. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give me a like, share, comment. Also, subscribe to my channel to see more and more videos. Goodbye, my friend. See you next time.